Presenting a pre-owned 2014 BMW. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a semi-automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 89,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, window defogger, and navigation system.